Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to merge and install three rare parts of a FitGirl update. I'll show you guys how to do it. First, I will show you the current version of the game. Just right click and select open file location. Again right click and select properties. Go to details, and as you can see product version 1.00, and here is the update list that has 1, 2 or this 2 and 3 or this one. And I have the first update downloaded that has three parts. Now I show you guys how to update it. Just go to downloads, just copy all these three parts, just right click and select a cut option. After doing it, right click on the game and select open file location. Paste the files we copied. After pasting it, as you can see, just right click on the part 1 and select WinRAR and select extract here option. This will extract all the three RAR files, guys. And as you can see, the game name does update. Just double click on it and double click on update folder. Double click on setup. Select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. And now select the browse option and select the location of the game where you saved. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. Select it and select OK option and select install option. As you can see, update has successfully installed. Select the finish option, and now you just need to go back and double click on this folder and copy all these files. Just copy it and go back to game folder. After coming back to game folder, paste the files and replace the file in the destination. And now the game should launch. And as you can see, the game has been updated. In this version, you can able to see 1.00 to 2.0001. It has been updated successfully, and that's how you can update it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.